ayibazibwe director wa Mbara Zone Agriculture and Development Institute yereka ko ubukoko ubu buri kuza kuyamba barisa kandi no kurwanya obworo maka otiriho no kongera amuhendo gw'amate aza farm.
Sustainable SDG, Sustainable Development Goal 1 on poverty alleviation. So this project, we believe it will also contribute to the key areas, including production and productivity, nutrition and food security, environment and sustainability.
Gerald Dickson Tayebwa yereka ko ubuzima ubukoko ubu buri kuza kuyamba okucendeza omwika mubi oguri kushisha obuhangwa bw'ensi.
Project neza kuba ne chondoza ubukoko butukubasa kukozesa buri sente kugeza aho kongera hamate then no kucendeza ahamwika umubi oguri ku rugo muntu.
Mbara City Production Officer Dr. Moses Amanyire yashobora ko ubu bubwire bwo kosa science na mlongo bwetawone ryo netunguka abantu barukosa emyanya mce kurisizamo.
We are actually having issues related to urbanization versus farming. You realize that what used to be farmland is getting more reduced, giving way for urbanization. And what does this mean? It means that the traditional ways of tackling things must change.
First Garros Bell or Rural Initiatives for Poverty Aversion RIPA yayereka amascom project eji na mnongo mukwera habarisa abarukurisiza omwanya muce.
Itokaba RIPA netutuka turimo mukandika kureba ngo at least akaseta tuturayihemo ubwo bukoko bakuza kuteka mbere yende kureba ngo ente kweragiye ebase koraki kuba omujungu wa science budget digestion ninga echwanya guruke kubunji kandi yereke kureta obo yaruki neza kuyamba ba farmers binji.
Kampura Christopher wa Chenjojo Model Farm yashobora kuba bwahati bine yika 20 ezirije kwera project kugenda omisho.
The stakeholders here present that Chenjojo Farm we are ready to take on the project with expectations. We already have more than 20 acres of land where we can establish pastures, and we have 2 already promotion of zero grazing, which so much needs this kind of project.
Ababatora no kwejumbira mu kuchondozo ko baterebiragano byabo bebimbira matofswaya or commissioner ombyokorahira kandi omunyamateka.
Swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any matter to any person which shall be brought under my consideration.
Swear that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any matter to any person which shall be brought to us.
Project eji neja kukorwa umugamsenene muri Antonde Rubirizi aba RIPA hamwe na Chenjojo Model Farm kandi buri farm neja kosa $2,200 ikeneye kozesa ubucweka 40 abakazi hamwe n'eminyeto. Ndi Olivia Kamsime abwatari Westo muri Mbara.